Nullify.
Nullify mean cancel, annul, obliterate, invalidate.
Opposite meanings are confirm, uphold, empower, endorse.
Noxious.
Noxious mean painful, injurious, pernicious, disastrous.
Opposite meanings are healing, profitable, innocuous, salubrious.
Novice.
Novice mean tyro, beginner, debutante, apprentice.
Opposite meanings are veteran, ingenious, experienced, mentor.
Nourish.
Nourish mean sustain, nurture, tend, foster.
Opposite meanings are exhaust, starve, weaken, enervate.
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant mean indifferent, negligent, uncaring, heedless.
Opposite meanings are attentive, considerate, vigilant, scrupulous.
Nimble.
Nimble mean prompt, brisk, lively, agile.
Opposite meanings are sluggish, languid, weary, tardy.
Niggardly.
Niggardly mean miserly, covetous, inadequacy, deficiency.
Opposite meanings are generous, profuse, redundant, excessive.
Negligent.
Negligent mean inattentive, careless, heedless, perfunctory.
Opposite meanings are vigilant, careful, considerate, alert.
Nefarious.
Nefarious mean detestable, atrocious, heinous, unlawful.
Opposite meanings are commendable, worthy, upright, inoffensive.
Nauseous.
Nauseous mean unsavory, loathsome, abominable, repellent.
Opposite meanings are commendable, worthy, benevolent, inoffensive.
Native.
Native mean original, vernacular, indigenous, aboriginal.
Opposite meanings are alien, extraneous, exotic, foreign.
Nasty.
Nasty mean offensive, defiled, malevolent, malignant.
Opposite meanings are pleasing, gratifying, benevolent, attractive.
Nominal.
Nominal mean trifling, insubstantial, bare, negligible.
Opposite meanings are substantial, considerable, excessive, exorbitant.
Overwrought.
Overwrought mean excited, agitated, fervent, intense.
Opposite meanings are quiet, tranquil, composed, cool.
Overwhelm.
Overwhelm mean triumph, subjugate, overpower, vanquish.
Opposite meanings are flounder, falter, restore, impotent.
Oversight.
Oversight mean omission, error, fault, slip.
Opposite meanings are precision, observance, circumspection, caution.
Overbearing.
Overbearing mean oppressive, domineering, intimidating, despotic.
Opposite meanings are submissive, humble, lenient, forbearing.
Outrage.
Outrage mean offense, maltreatment, assault, irreverent.
Opposite meanings are praise, favor, esteem, reverence.
Outbreak.
Outbreak mean eruption, insurrection, explosion, outburst.
Opposite meanings are compliance, subjection, passivity, harmony.
Ostentation.
Ostentation mean display, pretension, vaunt, pomposity.
Opposite meanings are modesty, constraint, diffidence, economy.